Okesolu ngwele ma mmili, the lizard don't get pneumonia with him. Ana asi Igbo natabon. Don't rush into it. Ana akukwansi. Imalu kisi kwade, then go ahead. Otherwise, work with your spirit. On the other hand, where are you running? Chetani baba chubagi. Ekolo ha akolo. Bullies ain't so scary when you put one on them. Come home, it's safe, but start communing with your more and learn to hold your own first. If you understand the basics, guys, something happened. I went to Noah and was shooting a holy Ezumezu visualizer. So we're in the bush, right? Singing Arobinago. And guy, as I was getting in the spirit, right? Like, not just like getting in, because I'm not the best actor. So when I was trying to get in the spirit, like singing it from my soul, I was fucking hearing more than my own voice singing it. Holy Ezumezu Buegu more. Use it for your ego more. Kahana go with you. Kahana sing with you while you are even saying other things. Use it as an ego for tutorial. You can learn all those Nekwanzu Obiocha. It's a tutorial. Use it as a meditation to write your you know what I'm saying, your thinking, and you're focusing and thinking about other things, or just entering your spirit, right? Then use it to remember your dreams before you sleep. Kibu to Umuagi before Elawala from all the stress of the day. Yagazi.
Obiocha.